What's up, everybody? Austin here. We're coming in with a full day of eating today. I'm gonna have a heavy training session later. We might even go to the gym twice. I'm trying to make my breakfast pretty large. It is Sunday, September 11th, and it is currently 10:53. And I am really excited to eat this. I am gonna tell you that right now. All right. So we've got some fake bacon, which I love because it tastes like teriyaki. I don't know why. We got egg whites, an ounce of sharp cheddar cheese, and over here we have the thing I'm most excited for. Got 4 kashi waffles, some spinach, some bacon, cheese, and egg whites. Whew. Gonna warm up this syrup in the microwave. Freaking just cover these things in it and just go to town. I'm so hungry. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so I know a very important part when making a full day of eating video is recording everything you eat in that day. But I'm still new at this, and for my second meal of the day I completely forgot and just like destroyed some food. But I'll show you what I had. I had a banana, some of my PB Fit stuff, some of these pita breads, 2 pieces of 35 calorie sliced bread, some fat-free cheddar cheese, and 2 like veggie burger patties. I don't have the box anymore, I threw it out. Oh, I lied. I had 2 of these bad boys. And yeah, that's what I had. And right now I'm getting ready to make some pre-workout and go hit a back and by day with my buddy Connor. Probably record some of that too. So I'll see you guys later. I'll make sure to record my next couple meals. And peace out. Yeah. Hey guys, me and my friend Connor just got done hitting back, and overall it was a pretty good workout. Definitely with recording all the workouts that I've been doing lately and going back and reviewing the footage like during the workout definitely makes the like upcoming sets easier, because you can like tweak your form a little bit, and all those little things you don't really necessarily feel during the exercise just becomes so much more apparent when you actually watch it. Like during the video, I'm sure you'll notice on some of the curls I'm like hoisting a little bit, and like on some of the back exercises, like especially lat pull on like I think it's the last set, my shoulder starts rotating inward to like try and help pull the bar down a little bit, which is not good. So this is overall just like a really good thing that I'm doing right now, and I'm really happy that I've started all this, and I'm really excited to keep pumping out content and just keep progressing and getting better every day. I'll probably head back to the apartment now, eat my last meals for the day, and then go study. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you around. Alright guys, Austin checking in here, back for the last meal of the day. I've got 2 pitas with some fat-free cheddar cheese, 35 grams to be exact, some spinach, some Greek yogurt, some Faji Greek yogurt, with 28 grams of honey in it, and that'll put our daily totals for the day at 200 protein, 224 carbs, and 50 grams of fat. My numbers that I'm trying to hit each day are 200, 224, or 200 protein, 225 carbs, and 50 grams of fat. So I hit it pretty perfectly today, which is awesome. Everything's going great. I woke up today at 179.8 pounds, which is the lowest I've been on the cut, which makes me so happy because everything is going exactly as planned. Today we had a pretty good workout, and if I haven't already mentioned this, I am currently not doing deadlifts, and I will eventually address this in another video, but it's basically just injuries that I'm going through right now, and like I'm doing physical therapy, and deadlifts are just like a big no-no for me right now. I've tried them, and it just, my form is fine, but my muscular imbalances just cause me so much pain and discomfort right now that I'm hoping to get back doing them pretty soon, but for now it's just better if I don't. Alright, well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.